Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2021 SEMA Show, and I met this group out there, Custom Built Cars, and what they do is they get high school graduates and they teach them skills it takes to restore and build custom cars. I thought that was cool. We need young blood in the industry, so I'm always about supporting that. They had a 1951 Ford F1 pickup I think you're all gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll check it out.
Jack, what a cool truck. Tell me a little bit about it, brother.
Custom Built Cars is a program I started about 3 years ago, showing the youth that's fresh out of high school different trades or different aspects of the industry that they wanted to get into.
Right on. So what facets of the industry do you cover?
Basically, pretty much all of restoration on the hot rod side of things. Frame and suspension, electrical, rust repair, panel alignment, paint, body.
Interior?
No, we don't. We install interior, but we don't do any sewing or anything like that.
Gotcha. And tell me about the students built this truck here.
Yep.
All right. Tell me a little bit about the truck, what they did to it.
It's a 51 Ford F1 pickup, and we drug it out of a field and started from there. It's only a 5-month-long program, so we opted to go with an aftermarket chassis to speed up the process a little bit, but they still disassemble it, and then we have it powder coated and put back together and everything. All the rust repair, body paint, and assembly.
You knock all that out in 5 months?
Yeah.
Is that just a 5-month course, or is it like junior, seniors, like regular school?
No, it's after they graduate high school.
Okay, so it's like a vocational
about
thing?
18 to 21 years old has been the average for the students that have done it.
And people that are interested in it, how should they look into that program?
CustomBuiltCars.com or social media. We're on all the social media websites and everything too. And it's custom with a K.
Okay, and how long has it been going on?
3 years is when I started it, and I was doing little weekend courses showing kids how to do it before that, and I just decided to take it to the next level.
And how are the kids receiving it?
Great. So far all the kids that have came out of the program have went into the automotive industry.
Yeah, because let's face it, not all of us are built to be scientists or attorneys or whatever.
That's right. A lot of people are hands-on type people.
And then we've gotten ourselves into a world where nobody can do this kind of stuff anymore.
Yep.
So I think that the people going forward in the future that have these abilities will probably do better than a lot of people with college.
They're going to definitely be in demand.
And when Shelby got with me, I always want to help the kids. I always want to try to get our industry to have some more young blood in it. And I was right up.
If we don't do it, it's going to be lost.
That's right.
For sure.
All right. Well, Jack, I appreciate your time today, brother. Thanks so much.
I appreciate it too. Thanks for having me.
So there you go, from the 2021 SEMA Show, a very cool 1951 Ford pickup truck. Helping the kids out, how cool is that? Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.